on some more?
Yep.
Nice job, Trin. But, make sure you know who you're making it for before you make it just so. Wow, that's ooey gooey. Look at that goodness.
Here, Baba, look at me. Yum. Look at Mommy. Look at me. Right here. Me, not Miss Mommy. Me. Norm.
I'm good for right now.
Caden. Caden.
I don't.
I've seen Luke once.
Eric?
Eric said he would, but Eric's normally busy on Saturdays.
He's got
You okay? Oh, Norman, watch out. I don't think he wants to eat the stick.
I'll eat the stick.
Eat the stick. Good one.
I can get her in like because I have these clothes on.
High five. Norman, how you doing?
Trying to.
You trying to get the stick?
Yeah. I don't know, Norman. You might fall. Oh. Guys, hello. I'm about this. I'm way taller than you. See? Wow! My hand is taller.
Is there an ant?
Yeah.
Where?
Down there.
Down there?
Yeah.
Think you're taller than me?
You gonna go down the slide? Whee! Woo! Good job, Norman!
Stop, Leo.
I hate growing up. Hi, Kate.
Woo!
You can go bring your homework.
Yes!
I'm going to give him a bath with me.
This is a special seat for you guys. Look, give you that snap bracelet.
I got it from the backpack.
Yeah, this should be the reward for getting straight A's. You get to burn all your.
Can I have some water?
Yeah.
But it's the Ben Davis Giants, correct? So that's why it was Miss Giant.
Oh, that's true. Without context, that could sound really weird.
Why would Sherry never Giants? It's not that tall.
Okay, next time I share that story,
So,
which will be never, apparently, based on that
this
look.
is actually really funny though.
What do we want to do?
Hey, we're thinking of going to the parade tomorrow.
What for? 500.
The 500 parade. We get.
Yeah.
But we can't.
Do it while it's flaming, okay?
It's not the race. This is just the parade. The race.
Ready?
It's hot. Make sure you can't throw it. You have to set it down without getting burned. So So set it down gently. That might take. Whoa! Look at that. Okay, can you go a little faster on this?
Here, Caden, put as many in, but not at once.
The bonus on the car's home.
Symbolism quiz. Bye.
So how did you just wrap it around the tree?
Dialectical journal.
You know we have there's a metal thing in the ground over there if we
Yeah,
ever need
she
it.
was saying people tend to trip over him
Oh,
and he gets a little too close. So,
That's a good idea.
so we can
What's that one?
Uh,
Oh, that's a final study guide.
Can you go a little faster on this?
So, should we just...
Yeah, just put it in.
Keep the fire from dying.
That was a terrible assignment.
Boom! I love how it ignites.
I'm doing it. The equation for photosynthesis.
There it goes. It's watering. And watering. Oh, there we go. The homework is full.
So Tuesday is going?